Makeup remover pouring out of a pineapple, foundation squeezed out of a pomegranate, and mascara inside of a starfruit? Is it weird makeup or fake fruit? Watch it in our new video. It's raining again. So boring. Hey, Summer, where are you? It is so dull to stay at home, and there is nothing to do outside when the weather is so bad. Oh, what is it? Funny raspberries have come to us. We look at these bright berries with great interest. Oops! Vicky drops a raspberry accidentally. Oh, there is a real summer vibe hidden in these sweet babies. We've changed in a moment. Is it summer magic? The summer berries are certainly not so simple. There is glitter and magic inside. Take a small paint container and cut off the excess. Attach a glue stick to the cap to make your job easier. Shape a berry by squeezing hot glue on top. Make a cut near the cap with a heated knife. Hot glue little half beads to the hardened base. Paint it white and put on 2 or 3 coats of acrylic paint. Cover the paint with clear nail polish. Cut star-shaped leaves out of a green foam rubber sheet. Make a cut in the center of each leaf. Hot glue a stalk. Pass it through the hole. Cut off the glue stick and hot glue the leaf instead. The fruit magic will spread all around the house thanks to these berries. You just have to make a wish and your entire makeup collection will turn into a fruit garden. Let's try out our magic on regular face powder. It may work. We get a bright orange instead of a boring compact powder. Cut out the middle of a foam plastic ball to fit the size of the powder container. Hot glue the ball halves to the top and the bottom. Paint it white using a sponge and cover it with a layer of orange acrylic paint. Make a hole for the stalk. Snip off the tip of a glue stick. Color it with green acrylic paint to make a stalk and hot glue it to the orange. Use a pencil to make holes on the surface. It will make the orange peel look more realistic. We know that fruit is good for the skin, but this orange doesn't only make your skin look better, it makes your mood better too. And what about EOS? It's impossible for the EOS to be left without a touch of magic. My EOS is of a rich fruit color, and my friend is luckier than me. Her EOS has turned into an orange. Take EOS lip balm out of the container. Mix it with some granulated beeswax. Add a drop of red and yellow food colorings and a bit of orange essential oil. Put it into a microwave. When all the ingredients have melted together, pour the mixture into the cap with the middle grid on. When it cools, put it into a fridge for 15 minutes. Assemble the container. Shape orange segments using an awl. Prepare white lip balm to make the orange pattern. Mix the beeswax with your favorite oil. We've got wheat germ oil. Put in white food coloring. Melt the mixture and pour it into the orange EOS. Peel off the excess. Scratch the pulp pattern using the awl to make the orange look realistic. This lip balm is so sweet and it has a citrus smell. The awesome mixture of an EOS and an orange. I'll call it EOSange. It doesn't only moisturize my lips, it also puts a smile on my face. I want to do a real fruit makeup with this lovely orange EOS. Let's turn our lips into an orange. Shade your entire lips with a white makeup pencil. In case you want to be a mime, leave it the way it is. But we're moving on. Take bright eyeshadow. Define the lip outline with an orange color. Paint the orange pulp pattern with a thick brush. Use clear lip gloss to get a glossy finish. Apply it carefully by tapping so that you don't smudge the makeup. My orange lip makeup will attract everyone's attention. My smile will be the brightest of all. This mascara looks completely boring compared to the unusual face powder. The fruit magic will help us. Voila! The plain mascara turns into a bright star fruit. Attach a glue stick of the appropriate size to the mascara. We will need 5 sticks. Cut off the edges. Increase the glue stick ribs with hot glue. Smooth them out with the hot nozzle of the gun. Melt the glue over a candle a little. Dip your fingers in water and correct the shape. Use a heated knife to make a cut where the cap joins the tube to let the mascara open. Paint it with yellow enamel. Color it with green and yellow acrylic paint, dabbing with a sponge when the enamel dries. Finish with a coat of clear nail polish. The paradise fruit will make your eyes shine. Our makeup collection turns into a fruit basket, step by step. An orange, a star fruit. We can do real tropical makeup. Fruit magic spreads over the entire house. What kind of mysterious fruit is over there on the mantelpiece? It's a pomegranate, and foundation is hidden inside. Take foundation with a pump. Cut in half a foam plastic ball. Make a hole in the middle to fit the same size of the bottle. Put in the foundation and hot glue the ball halves. Wrap the ball with dark red felt. Fasten the fabric with multi-purpose glue. Cut off the excess following the shape of the ball. Leave the corners on top. Don't attach the fabric near the pump up to the top. Cut a few triangles out of a light yellow foam rubber sheet and hot glue them to the inside of the felt. Paint the foam plastic and the pump in the same light yellow color. Cut off the excess and shape the top corners into sharp-shaped leaves. Glue red half beads to the visible part of the foam plastic. It will look like pomegranate seeds. You can squeeze foundation instead of juice out of this fruit. Brilliant idea and a great disguise for your favorite foundation. The fruit magic has an awesome effect on everyone, even our neighbor. But she isn't satisfied with her bright fruit makeup. The paradise bird look is not her cup of tea. She's going to remove her bright eye makeup. But where is my makeup remover? Someone's left a pineapple instead. Is it some kind of tropical feng shui? We will need a makeup remover with a cap that can screw off. Use foil to shape the bottle into a cylinder. Make small balls out of the foil and cut them in half. Hot glue the half balls to the bottle in a checkerboard pattern. Cut squares out of yellow felt and hot glue them tightly to the foil bumps. Attach the second layer of the squares, gluing each detail only on the bottom. Leave the top corner loose. Make the pineapple skin look realistic. Cover the bottom with a felt circle. Make the cap longer using the foil. Cut dark green felt into strips. Snip off the excess to shape long leaves. Make light green leaves in the same way. Cover the entire cap with the felt leaves, interchanging the colors. Start from the top and attach a piece of the dark felt to the top. Use the felt to cover all visible parts of the foil. My friend doesn't understand what she should do with the pineapple. It's simple. Squeeze some fresh juice out of it and remove your makeup. Because this is actually your makeup remover. And if the pineapple is not enough, Vicky will make another exotic fruit. She's going to turn her regular EOS into a lychee. Cover an EOS container with foam plastic crumbs all over. Paint it white and color it using a sponge and acrylic paint. Let it dry and add a shade of light green by dabbing it with a dry sponge. Any rain won't make us sad with this bright fruit makeup. We can imagine ourselves on a tropical island applying lychee to the lips and washing with pineapple juice. Collect a whole makeup crop. Did you like our weird makeup ideas? Then write in your comments which fruit you would like to apply as makeup: orange face powder, pomegranate foundation, or starfruit mascara. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new makeup ideas on the Troom channel.